got to make the call.
Hey guys, what is up? Mike here. Today I've got a brand new Sony Vegas tutorial for you guys. This is how to get magic bullet look misfire, or in other words, Agony flashes, the editor Agony, in Sony Vegas. Now, you won't have to do any work for this. This is a plugin, but you will have to get the plugin. Last time a kid got angry at me because I didn't tell in my Twitch effect the plugins you'll need. So this one you'll need film effects. New Blue film effects, $99. You can get it. I don't know how you guys like to get it, but I have it here in a starter pack. I don't even know how I got the starter pack because it's not available on their site anymore at all. But anyways, we're just going to open up some clips here and get started. So, once again, the effect that this thing makes is like a flashing, a really fast flashing. If you watched my editing video, the link will be in the description or on the annotation on the screen now. You can see what time I use the effect and everything. So what you want to do is just put your color correction on. I'm just going to put my normal one. We take off sharp, and I've never fixed that yet. Alright, we got a color correction on here, and that's all dandy and stuff, but we want it to start flashing right after he shoots the first guy, let's say. So I'm going to scope in right here, and it's going to start flashing. Let's zoom in a lot and get better frame by frame. He's going to shoot the guy here, and I'm going to cut it next frame. And that'll be when the flashing starts. Let's just say for that. So once again, it's film camera. Here we've got it. And just drag on the default and turn the X and Y jitter all the way down. Make the border doesn't matter at all. Then turn your flicker up to however bright you want it. And I'm just gonna let's say I want it decently bright, and I'm gonna turn the flicker rate up to about whatever. You guys are gonna have to tweak with this, 75. But now we're gonna render it out. And as you can see, he's running up perfect. It's on best forward. That'd take forever. Sorry, I don't have my headphones in, so you might have been able to hear a little bit more there. I'm going to actually pop those in right now. If I can find them. 1 second, guys. And there you can see it is flashing the Agony flashes. So that is probably the easiest way, I'd say, to do these Agony flashes in Vegas. By far, taking a very short time. Let's watch this again. Let me just turn on the volume and watch it. Alright, here we go. Now, if that flashing is a little bit too bright for you, which it is for me, turn down the flicker, and that wasn't as fast as I wanted, so I'm going to turn it up to about 85, and we'll re-render it. So here's going to boom, 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 boom. Flashing still looks a little bit bright, but you can make it as minor as you want it to be. So let's watch this back again. And there you can see, it's still a little bit too bright, guys, but tweak with it, and once again, it's film effects from New Blue. It looks awesome when you do it right. I'm not nailing it right now. There we go. That's a very slight amount of flash. The reason you can see a little bit more is because of the scope. But here we go. You'll be able to see it. Here we go. Ready? There we go. And you can just see that slight flashing. You guys might not even be able to notice that. But if I were to put a cinematic color correction, let's say on these, right now I'm going to do that actually. I'm going to take off the normal color corrections on these and put a cinematic color correction on the layer. You guys will be able to see it very drastically, and it'll look absolutely just amazing, guys. So I'm going to go and find my magic bullet looks. There's a tutorial for that on my channel somewhere, to get this for the 64-bit computer that I have. Hopefully we don't freeze up here. Last time we opened it up, my computer freaked out a little bit loading the image. There we go. And I'm just going to choose one of my color corrections. Hopefully it looks alright. Let's see which one looks best. God, these are all really good color corrections. I like my color corrections right now. Alright, well I think that the red color will show it up best, so we'll use that one. Click finish there. And by the way, I can make a color correction pack for these if you want me to, guys. So yeah, just request that. And we're going to watch for the flashes again. Now it's going to take a little bit longer to pre-render with magic bullet looks because it's an external effect, but we'll see it here in a very short amount of time, and it's just an absolutely amazing effect, guys. Let's see what we're running here, 4 minutes 38 seconds, and it takes no work. That's the greatest part about it. what you want from an Agony Flash plugin is it to simulate what Agony flashing does. And I accidentally removed the plugin here because I'm really smart. So we're going to add that back again from, we're going to go back and add the, take out that. God, hold on 1 second, guys. We're going to add film camera once again, film effects from New Blue. Just drag it on there. And turn your flicker up slightly and your rate up a lot. And here, I'm going to preview it for you guys. And there you can see the slight flashing already kicking in. You guys can adjust it however you want. I got a really good one last time. Sadly, I don't have the project preset anymore, or I would definitely go check out those settings from my own settings because they were nice. But this is basically Magic Bullet looks Misfire, the flashing Agony effect that you see that is in tons of editing videos, and it is absolutely amazing. It is basically the same thing, guys. Go check out this plugin. This has been Mike, and I hope you enjoyed. Here's a little preview. So that is an absolutely amazing effect that is very fast, very easy. Thank you guys for watching. This has been FluffeyHD. If you enjoyed this video, please like and favorite or subscribe, whatever you guys like to do. If you don't like it, dislike, you know. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed, though, anyways, and peace out.